Sorry about that, guys. My grandma told me to get off real quick. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't figure that'd work very well.
Okay.
Stop. Don't chew on them.
He's hurting himself.
What you doing, silly girl?
I can't. Oh, there's little air spots. Okay.
Where's the pebble? Pebble, take him.
I know where the plane is.
Chicken.
Oh, dang, son! That's a low. I can't even get a video anymore.
Push your shoe back further, Amy.
Sorry about the bad
Put
deal.
your shoe back underneath more.
Are you really putting it inside my shoe where all my stinky dogs are?
But it's holding the umbrella, Jude.
Okay, here.
I do not like umbrellas.
Then you'll be okay.
I do not like umbrellas. That one didn't make a really loud noise. We like loud noises.
Then get out so you can see. I don't know.
Blue Angel.
I'll give you 5 minutes to go around. That's it.